So we've all heard the good news that Dr. Kizza Besigye and his comrade Obed Lutale have been transferred to the High Court from the Magistrates Court. Well, in this edition of Legal News Daily, I'm going to go straight to the point. Number one, why indeed Kizza Besigye and Obed Lutale have been transferred to the High Court. Number two, what is the future of Kizza Besigye and Obed Lutale's case moving forward? And most importantly, what law was considered in transferring Kizza Besigye and Obed Lutale's case to the High Court? So, welcome to Legal News Daily, and let's discuss all of this moving forward. Hello everyone, welcome back to Legal News Daily. I'm your host Terry Kahuma on this channel, and like I always say, Legal News Daily is our daily legal news segment where we discuss all things national, international, political, legal, psychological, but most importantly, legal. So, straight to the point, we have all known what happened to Dr. Kizza Besigye and Obed Lutale, where they have been hopping from different courts, from the court martial to the civilian court system. They have been tried with the offense of treason. Now, Obed Lutale and Dr. Kizza Besigye have been having their case told in the Magistrates Court. And we even find it that Dr. Kizza Besigye and Obed Lutale were even denied the mandatory bail, which is stipulated under the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda, 1995, as amended. Now, according to the Constitution, it is stated that every person who has spent more than 180 days in or on remand, then in accordance with Article 23, which talks about the procedures of arrest, remand, and all of that, states that the moment a person has been on remand without trial and they have been on remand for 180 days, which is approximately 6 months, then they should be released. The magistrate, like how we last left it in Dr. Kizza Besigye and Obed Lutale's case, stated that she does not have any jurisdiction on Dr. Kizza Besigye and Obed Lutale because they're being charged of treason and misprision of treason. Now, treason and misprision of treason are cases which are of a high court magnitude. So this is the High Court, Court of Appeal, and Supreme Court, because these are what are called capital offenses. Now, briefly, I'll go straight to what offenses are. An offense, like we all know, is a crime, but we know that they're what are called felonies and what we call misdemeanors. Now, a felony is a capital offense, something which is of a grave magnitude, where maybe someone has been involved in a very capital crime, which is of a great magnitude. A misdemeanor are these smaller crimes like traffic offenses, maybe assault, common assault, in accordance to the Penal Code Act. Now, when we look at offenses like treason, it is too much of a grave offense to be tried by a magistrate, even if that person is of a chief magistrate level. So therefore, that the magistrate who was handling Besigye and Obed Lutale's case said that, you know what, I'm considering this court of mine functus officio. Now, functus officio means that the court that this judge who has talked about functus officio is or has done its role. Functus officio means that my court is now done with this particular person. I'm not transferring them to the High Court. So again, the word jurisdiction may be confusing you, my viewers of Simply Legal. Jurisdiction basically means the powers of a certain court to try a particular case. Jurisdiction goes according to territorial jurisdiction, which basically means area jurisdiction, meaning that if I commit a traffic offense in Jinja, I'm not going to be tried in the High Court in Kampala. I'm going to be tried in the High Court of Jinja. So jurisdiction goes in accordance with the area where the crime has been committed. The offense that has been committed also determines the jurisdiction. So jurisdiction basically means the power of a court to try a particular matter. Now, finally, we now see that what is the impact of Besigye and Obed Lutale being transferred to the High Court? This means that an actual trial is going to start taking place. And this is good news for all Ugandans, because now we're going to see Dr. Kizza Besigye and Obed Lutale actually having a trial. They're now going to present things like evidence. If they're stating that indeed they were trying to mount an insurrection and commit treason, where is the evidence? Where are the audios that are basically stating that Kizza Besigye was trying to commit treason? So a trial is going to take place, but let's just see where everything is going to go moving forward. I think this is very good news, because now we're seeing that the principles of the Constitution are now going to be respected, and we're going to see that justice will not only be seen, but also seen to be done. Well, I'm really Terry Kahuma, and I'll see you. Bye-bye.